So the first thing you do is you come and select your text, right? And then you type whatever you want to type, right? So let's say I'll just type maybe Jude. So I'll type Jude, right? So after typing Jude, you can see that the text is small, so we need to enlarge it. So I'll just come to the properties of the text, and I'll just come and change the size to maybe 72. Let's see. Okay, so 72 is not even that big, so let's enlarge it. So we press Ctrl T and then we'll enlarge it, right? So we just enlarge it like this so it fills the screen like this. Okay, something like this is good, right? So now that you have your text, the next thing that we are going to do is we are going to stretch out the text, right? But then one thing you need to know is to stretch out the text, you need to get a good font to match with the text that you want to stretch out, right? If the font is not good, the stretching wouldn't look pleasing, right? So the font I'm using currently is known as the Fractal, right? So after you are done, the next thing you do is you come and right click on the text layer and come and select convert to shape, right? So you click convert to shape, and then you come to this pointed arrow right here, and then make sure you choose direct selection to make sure you select direct selection too, right? Now I can see that some things have been selected, right? But then depending on the text you want to stretch, you just click at any point and then you just drag a portion on that text that I want to stretch. So let's say I want to stretch this J text, right? So after I drag, you can see that some portion has been selected, right? These blue ones shows that they've been selected. So I'll just use the down arrow key and I'll just drag it down like this, right? So I'll just drag it down like this. I can equally use my mouse to stretch it out, but I can just drag it down like this. And when you are done, you just click at any part of your screen, right? So let's do another example. So we can just come here and select this part of the U like this, and then with our up arrow key we just drag it up like this. So you see it would go up like this, right? It will go up like this. So maybe that point is okay, we'll just leave it like this, right? So maybe we want to bring down our E, so we can just select the portion we want to drag and then we'll just drag it down like this, right? So this is how to do the stretch text effect in Photoshop. So just as you can see, this is how they do it, right? Thanks for watching and make sure you subscribe. Peace, and I'm out.